Hey y'all, what's up? It is Jasmine of Supreme Life Vlog here, and I'm excited to bring you guys this halo twist tutorial that you have been asking me about. I'm so sorry that it's taking me so long to get it out, but it's here, you know. So yeah, just stay tuned. I think you guys are going to be pleasantly surprised at how easy it is to do it. It does get a little tricky once you get to the back, but you kind of like think through it and figure it out. But yeah, just stay tuned if you want to see how I achieved this halo twist hairstyle. For some reason, I just feel like doing it on straight hair or blow dried hair makes it easier to manage as far as gathering the hair and all that other stuff. The first thing that you're gonna want to do is figure out which way you want your twist to go. I typically like mine to go to the right. So what I'll do is, what you want to do, you're going to kind of just start combing your hair all around and kind of forming your halo. So I didn't really make a part. This is gonna be hard. So I didn't really make a part in the middle of my head. I just started combing, so don't feel like there has to be like this perfect section in the middle of your head. Just start combing and forming the halo. So once you've combed your hair in the direction and kind of have everything spread out, you'll make a small part with your fingers where you want your twist to start, and then you'll section off the strands that you're going to start your twist off with, and you're just going to split it into two sections or strands and go ahead and start the twist like you normally would. So not adding any hair, just start the twist like regular. And then after you do that, that is when you're going to start adding in strands. And so you'll see here that I added to the bottom section and then twist it over. And again, I'll add hair to the bottom section and then twist it over. Again, I'm going to add hair to the bottom section and then twist it over. And here's just a slow-mo of that so you can see the technique a little better. Now, I forgot to mention this at the beginning of the video, but I didn't use any sort of styler for this other than the leave-in conditioner that I put in before I blow dried my hair, and then I applied some oil to my scalp and to the strands of my hair. But other than that, I didn't add any sort of extra styler. But if you do, I would suggest using something that's more cream-based and not extremely water-based so that your hair does not revert. Okay, so here's where things get tricky. I'm going to try my best to explain this, but make sure you pay attention to the slow-mo as well. All you're gonna do is just switch hands. So the hand that you were originally handling the twist with, you're now going to twist it over and pretty much give those two strands to your other hand. And then you're gonna use that newly free hand to feed the hair into the halo twist. I really hope that made sense. If you have to go back and look at the slow-mo again, please do. But that was like the best that I could think of to describe what's happening right now. Y'all don't mind my kitchen in the back. We're gonna fix that later on with some edge control, okay? So just don't let it bother you right now. I know there's some of you that are like, woo child, but it's okay. We're going to fix it. Do not worry. At this point, I'm just going to go around and make sure the loose twist is secure. And so I'm just going to put some bobby pins in and kind of go around and make sure that I pinned it and secured it. And then what I'm going to do is just go around the perimeter and kind of loosen up the twists a little bit, because for some reason when I do this, I tend to have more volume or hair on one side than the other. And so I usually try to go around and loosen up the twist a little bit so that one side will match the volume of the other one. So you'll see me just kind of go back and forth and adjust and do that here. And I usually like to have just a slight messy or effortless look to this hairstyle, so I'll take out 2 little strands on the side to have them hanging. You obviously, of course, don't have to do this, but this is just something that I like to do. And then I'll go in with the pattern Edge Control by Tracee Ellis Ross. I kind of like tried out some of their new styling products, and I've really been enjoying the Edge Control, so you'll just see me kind of doing that here. And y'all, it is so hard to do your edges without a mirror. I need to get a camera with the viewfinder so I can like see myself. But anyways, your girl was struggling for a little bit. And then of course I'm gonna get that kitchen together. Alright y'all, this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thank you so much for watching. I'm so sorry it took me so long to get this out to you guys, but I'm glad it is finally up. I hope you guys enjoy it. I hope it was helpful. If you have any other questions, let me know. Share it with a friend who you think would also enjoy this hairstyle, and I will see y'all in my next one.